So today I have like a special video for you guys. So like I was saying, I might be trading in my baby for this baby over here. Not right now. I'm saying I'm gonna do it, but not yet. I'm not ready. I don't have enough money. So the front end on my car. Now look at the front end on this car. Just wow. In pictures it looks better too. I mean, it doesn't make my car look bad though. That's what I really like. Is that I thought my car was gonna look old, but it does not look old. Just the lights look a little dated, but I could change them out if I would like. Now another thing I noticed is that this car pokes out probably around 3 more inches in my car, and I just drove it. So we're gonna do a quick little walk through this car. We're gonna start with the front. Let's start out with the lights. The car's dirty because it's a trade-in, but just check these lights out. Let me grab the key. I was already inside this car. I just moved it. Check out the key. Isn't this shit just awesome? Like, god damn, I want this car so bad. I also want that Porsche Cayman. We're gonna do a video on that one too, but for now we're just gonna do one on this one. Just lock it. Nice. Let's turn it on. Let's see if the lights go on. Wow, they do. You see that? Now my car doesn't have these squared lights, and I like these lights so much. There we go. Now they're flickering. But god damn, is this car so cool. So let's start off with the wheels. These wheels, they're black. They're just super dirty right now. I really like them. They have a big spacer in the middle. But anyways, I like the drilled rotors. That's really cool. The blue caliper with the M on it. I do like this as well. It's just really nice. These mirrors are pretty sick though. I like the way they stand out compared to the 1 Series. Compared to my car. Damn, somebody just hit my car recently. Anyways, see the mirrors on this car? See the mirrors on this one? And look at the difference on how they poke out. And just look at the difference in the stance on this one. This one looks mean. My car just it looks happy, you know, like it looks good. But here's a difference that I don't know if I'm gonna be able to live without. See how this one has red leather seats? This is my personal car. So if you guys haven't seen the review on the Jeep Trackhawk, you guys gotta watch that. But this is my car. It's super dirty. I just don't know if I could live without the red leather. I wish BMW for the M2 would have done that, given them some red leather, but they gave them blue stitching, and even that I don't really like. I don't like it too much, but I do like it. We're gonna hear the car. I'm gonna move it forward a bit, you know, just so that we can see the lights and everything. Let's see if the lights go on from back here. Oh, they do. You just can't see them. It's like this. Oh, you can see it right here. See this thing right here? That light is on when you unlock the car. It's the welcoming lights. My car does the same thing actually. So now that we saw the back of it, the car does have a good amount of trunk space. Like, it has a good amount. It's pretty much the same thing as my car. Here's the thing that I'm having a problem with. This car is about around $50,000. This car is around $12K right now, and that's about a $38,000 difference, you know. So I don't really see myself forcing myself to get a car like this when I already have it right here pretty much. But the one thing that I will say about this is, let's look at the door. Let's do a quick little pan. Yeah, this car is super sick. Now, I want to show you guys. I'm going to turn this on. Wow, look at that. I love this stitching right here. The little M stitching, the blue and red. That looks pretty sick to me. And this dash, But the number one thing that I love about this car is this right here, this steering wheel. Oh my god, I love it. I just love it. Oh, it's even smaller than the one on, so my boy used to have a 5 Series and I used to drive it all the time. And this steering wheel is actually smaller than that one. And it fits my hands nicer. I like that. If you guys subscribe, I'll probably end up buying this car. If that's what you guys want to see. It all depends on what you guys want to see. Also, this carbon fiber weave right here, just wow. It's exposed carbon fiber. I can feel it. That's awesome. That's really nice. Now I want to hear the car, so we're gonna lower the windows. We're gonna step on the brake. Well, actually, we gotta, since it's a manual, we have to step on the clutch, step on the brake, and then turn the car on. So let's do that. Clutch in, stepping on the brake. Now the start button's right here. Wow, that sounds pretty good to me. Let me open the door. Let's see if you can hear it better. Wow. I thought it would pop and crackle. I mean, I still really like it because it's really loud. It sounds really good. But here, I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute so you guys can hear it. Now let's get into the dash. So on this car, the back seats, actually these back seats are usable. You can fit full-size humans back there, and I know that because I've had my mom in my own back seat in my car, and she fits very well. So this is a stick. It's actually very easy to drive. I just drove it a little bit for like 5-10 minutes. It's pretty easy to drive. This is the little media center type console thing. I wish my car had this, but unfortunately it doesn't. Maybe this is like one of the only reasons why I really would love to upgrade, other than the body of the car. I also like just the way the car is. Like, it's exactly like my car, except like I was saying, this has Alcantara right there, as you can see, with the carbon fiber. But my car is red leather, and I'd rather have red leather. So I hope BMW comes out with the red leather model of the M2. I know the M4 has it. I've driven an M4. The M4 is actually not that bad to use. To control this, you control it all through here. I do think it's touchscreen, but I'm not sure. But as you can see, when I turn this, that thing moves. Ooh, let me see if I can pan on it. But yeah, man, this is like, this car right here, the Harman Kardon surround, like, has these speakers, which are like the upgraded speakers, like surround sound type shit. It's pretty great. But that's pretty much it on this car, guys. I mean, it's an awesome car, but I don't see, I'm not ready to waste $38,000 to get in a car that's just like mine. So the car I would go ahead and purchase would be the Porsche right here. This, I was gonna buy, not this car, but the Cayman version of it when I was like 18. But this is the car I want now. It's Porsche Cayman. And I want it to be stick as well, because like I said, I'm gonna keep my car till the day I die. You guys are gonna see me 80 years old driving this little thing. Anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate you spending your time with me, and I will catch you guys in the next video, which should be on that red Cayman, so be ready.